Sunday service suspended at Omotoso's church in PE by EFF, ANC, and members of the community. Controversial Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso during his rape and human trafficking trial at the Port Elizabeth High Court. Editor's note: this is a developing story. We will update it as and when new information is available. The Sunday service has been suspended at Nigerian pastor Timothy Omotoso's Jesus Dominion International Church in Port Elizabeth. This after political organizations and members of the community supporting Xolani demanded the church to shut down.